Hello dear viewers. In this video, we'll talk about diary entry and its format. First of all, what is a diary entry? Diary entry is a record of an individual's account of a day of his life. Basically, when a person summarizes his day and puts that into a written account, that is diary entry. Since it's a personal written account of a person's day, it is written by the individual himself. Diary acts like a friend of the person who is writing. It is an informal piece of writing. Since diary is an informal piece of writing, an individual shares his feelings with the diary, and diary acts like a friend. Let's go through the format of diary entry now. We begin from the left margin and write the day first, comma, date. We don't have to write the words day and date, we just write what day it is and the date on which we are writing. Then in the next line we write time. Time is usually written in PM because a diary entry is a record of what happened throughout the day in a person's life. After time, a line is to be left and then we write salutation, Dear Diary. After Dear Diary, from the very next line, we start with the content of our diary entry. It is to be written in a single paragraph consisting of 80 to 100 words. Once you've written your content, you leave a line and then write your name. Since diary entry is an informal piece of writing, you needn't write your full name, just the first name. Just look at the correct way of writing date and day when you're writing diary entry. A diary entry is always written in first person since it's an individual's personal account. And don't forget to express your feelings as well as your future endeavors when you are writing a diary entry.